Hello friends, my name is Fadil Muhammad Aziz. I'm from the accounting program study with NPM 2541-241. So for now, I will discuss on about material business communication. Definition of communication. For number one, communication is the process of exchanging information, ideas, or feelings between individuals or groups using words, sounds, signs, or behavior. In English, it broadly refers to both the act of conveying meaning and the message itself. For number two, menurut Claude Shannon dan Warren Weaver 1949, communication is the process of transmitting atau informasi dan meaning from one person to another, yaitu fokus pada transmisi, informasi, dan bagaimana pesan dipahami. Communication is a dua arah process of reaching mutual understanding, in which participants not only exchange information, but also create and share meaning. Menekankan interaksi dua arah dan penciptaan makna bersama. Definition of business communication. Business communication is the process of exchanging information, ideas, or message between people within or outside an organization for the purpose of conducting business activities effectively. It includes communication between employees, managers, customers, suppliers, and another stakeholder. Business communication can be done verbal, seperti meetings, phone calls, presentation, or in written form, email, reports, memos, and letters. According to Herta Amurti, business communication is the process of transmitting and receiving messages within business organization to achieve organizational objective. Types of communication. Types of communication itu ada dua. Yang pertama verbal communication dan non-verbal communication. Verbal communication is a type of communication that use words, either spoken or written, to convey message or information. Examples of verbal communication. Examples of verbal communication: face-to-face conversation, business meetings, presentation, phone calls, emails, written reports. Non-verbal communication is communication that does not use words, but use body language, facial expression, gestures, and other visual cues. Examples of non-verbal communication: form 1, facial expression, eye contact, hand gesture, body posture, tone of voice, appearance, or dress style. Advantages of non-verbal communication is help support verbal message, shows feeling or attitudes, strengthens the meaning of communication. Communication process. Definition of communication process. Communication process is the process of delivering a message from the sender to the receiver with the aim that the message is correctly understood. In business communication, this process is important so that the information conveyed within the organization can be clearly understood and does not misunderstanding. For number 1, sender or pengirim. A person who creates or delivers a message. Example, a manager who gives instruction to employees. Number 2, encoding or pengkodaan. The process of turning ideas or thought into message then can be understood, such as words, symbols, or images. For number 3, message atau pesan. Information or ideas that want to be conveyed to the recipient. Number 4, channel or media. Means used to convey message. Example, email, telephone, meetings, reports, or presentation. For number 5, receiver atau penerima. The person will receive a message from the sender. For number 6, decoding atau penafsiran. The process by which the receiver understand or interpret the message record. Nomor 7, feedback or umpan balik. A response from the receiver to the sender indicating whether the message has been understood or not. Interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication is the process of exchanging information, ideas, and feelings between two or more people through verbal and non-verbal messages. It is usually occurs in face-to-face interaction and helps people understand each other better. Example in business, like a manager discuss a project with an employee and give feedback about the employee performance. Characteristic in impersonal communication involves direct interaction between individuals, use both verbal and non-verbal communication, allows immediate feedback, helps build relationship and trust. Example of interpersonal communication. For number 1, conversation between a manager and an employee. For number 2, discussion between coworkers. For number 3, communication between a seller and customer. For number 4, a job interview. And importance of interpersonal communication in business. For number 1, improve teamwork. For number 2, build good relationship in the workplace. For number 3, help solve problems and conflicts. For number 4, increase work efficiency. Communication in organization. Communication in organization is the process of exchanging information, ideas, and messages among members of an organization to achieve common goals. Organizational communication helps coordinate activities, share information, and improve cooperation between employees and management. Importance of communication in organization. Yes, for number 1, improves coordination between departments. For number 2, helps achieve organizational goals. For number 3, reduces misunderstandings. For number 4, increase work efficiency and teamwork. Example, employees in the marketing department communicate with the sales team to coordinate a new product promotion strategy. Communication patterns. Communication pattern refers to the structure or flow of communication between individuals or groups in an organization. It shows how information moves from one person to another. Communication patterns help organizations share information efficiently, coordinate tasks, and make decisions. Importance of communication pattern. Improves information flow in organization, helps coordinating between team members, support effective decision making, reduce communication barriers. Example, in a project team meeting, all members discuss idea together. This is an example of an channel communication pattern. Types of communication ada 4. For number 1, chain pattern. For number 2, whale pattern. For number 3, circle pattern. For number 4, all channel pattern. Cross-cultural business communication. Cross-cultural business communication is the process of exchanging information between people from different cultural backgrounds in a business environment. It involves understanding difference in language, value, belief, behavior, and communication style. Importance of cross-cultural business communication. For number 1, helps build good relationship with internal patterns. Reduce misunderstanding caused by cultural difference. For number 3, improve cooperation in global business. For number 4, support successful international business activities. Example of cultural difference in communication. For number 1, language difference. For number 2, different language can cause misunderstanding in business communication. For number 3, communication style. For number 4, some cultures communicate directly while others prefer indicate communication. For number 5, body language. For number 6, gestures or facial expression may have different meanings in different cultures. For number 7, business etiquette. For number 8, greetings, dress code, and meeting styles can vary between cultures. Conclusion. In business communication, effective communication is very important for the success of an organization. It involves different forms such as verbal communication, non-verbal communication, interpersonal communication, and organizational communication. Each type helps individuals share information, ideas, and feedback clearly. Understanding communication process and communication pattern also helps organization improve coordination, teamwork, and decision making. In addition, cross-cultural business communication is essential in today's global business environment because it helps people from different cultural backgrounds communicate effectively. Therefore, good business communication can reduce misunderstanding, build strong relationship, and help organizations achieve their goals more efficiently. So, thank you for listening. I hope this is important for listening. Thank you for your attention. Saya Fadil Muhammad Aziz. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.